If you've been wanting to make a change in your life, but haven't known where to begin, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll give you some tips and tricks for how to get started with Feng Shui at home. Feng Shui is an ancient art that can help you create a home that reflects the life you want to lead. Feng Shui is based on the idea that there are invisible energies all around us, and they affect our lives in powerful ways. By following some simple rules for arranging objects in our homes, we can tap into these positive energies and harness them for our own benefit. Follow these tips on how to invite positive energy into your house. Number 1. Do not block your main door. The main door is the point at which the qi, or energy, enters your home. To cultivate good feng shui at home, the qi should be able to easily flow into your house. Do not place tall structures outside the main door, and your main door should be able to open widely to a 90-degree angle. There should be no obstruction behind the main door. Number 2. Do not place mirrors in front of your bed. There should be no mirrors facing the bed. This is a feng shui no-no because it can reduce your qi while you sleep. It will also easily frighten you. Instead, hang them on the inside of your closet door. Number 3. Allow the sun to enter. To create good feng shui in your home, clean your windows on a regular basis. Clean windows let in more sunlight. Encourage natural ventilation and sunlight in the living area by leaving curtains and windows open. Number 4. Deep cleaning. If you're feeling stuck or heavy, it's likely to manifest in your home's cranes and nooks. There is sluggishness where there is dust and dirt. This happens when the flow of energy is interrupted. Cleaning your home keeps the energy flowing. Number 5. Declutter the hallway. Because the hall represents opportunities, keep it clutter-free so that negative energy is released. Qi stagnates in areas of clutter, damage and dirt, so allow the positive energy to flow by ensuring there is room to move freely in your home. Thank you for watching. Please remember to like and subscribe for more tips and tricks to A+ your life at home.